Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome in my new video. Today, I decided to draw this little princess with ice cream. I will use dry media brushes and paper texture with name Vintage from my amazing textures. All the links are below the video. And that's all. Enough talk, let's draw. Part 1 Sketching. As always, we'll start simple. Draw a circle, something like a triangle, simple V like a hand, and at the end few ovals like fingers. And of course, an absolutely simple ice cream. The other hand as a straight stick. And let's draw a railing for the girl so that she has something to lean on. 2L as legs. Draw details on the dress. And details of the face. And of course, hair. Finally, we'll just sketch some grass under her feet. Now reduce its visibility, create a new layer above it, and draw the final drawing. If you want to use my drawing and my color palette, there is a download link below the video for symbolic €1. As you know, I don't put my tutorials on paid sites like Patreon, so this is your chance to appreciate my work and also get my drawing with the color palette. It's not the mandatory, but anyone who buy it, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And now let's go to the second part, coloring. Create a new layer, move it below the drawing and color the body parts. Choose the selection tool, automatic, invert, and color the head. Add a new layer, set it as multiply, use clipping mask, and draw shadows with the same color. Add a new layer, set it as multiply, clipping mask, and paint the cheeks, fingers, and knees with pink color. Add a new layer and draw the eyes and tongue. To create a new layer, set multiply clipping mask and paint shadows with brown color. Set the layer visibility and then merge all colors layers into one. Create a new layer, move it below the drawing and trace the hairline. This line must be continuous. Select the selection tool, set automatic, invert, and color the hair. Since I made the sketch in the same color as the hair, it's almost not visible. So change this layer setting to multiply. Go back to the hair layer and draw the details. Now use the eraser tool to adjust the edges to make them look messy. Okay, and now add a new layer, set it as multiply, clipping mask, and draw shadows in the hair. Add a new layer, set it as screen, clipping mask, and draw highlights in the hair. Add a new layer and draw hair elastic and the outline of the t-shirt. Now select the selection tool, set automatic, select the surroundings, invert it and color the t-shirt. Move this layer all the way down, create a new layer above it, applying a clipping mask, set multiply and paint the shadows. Create a new layer and draw the outline of the dress. Now again select the selection tool, set automatic, invert selection and color the dress. Create a new layer, set it as multiply, clipping mask, and paint shadows. All the layers with dress merge into one. Create a new layer and draw a pocket. Select the selection tool, automatic, invert selection, and color the pocket. Add a new layer, set it as multiply, clipping mask, and paint shadows on the pocket. Create a new layer and draw stitches on the both the back and the dress, the pocket and the dress. Create a new layer and draw sweets. And we go to the background. Create a new layer, move it all the way down and draw outlines of railings. Select the selection tool, automatic, select the area around the railing, invert selection and color the railing. Add a new layer, set it as multiply, clipping mask, and color the shadows. Merge all the layers of railing into one and do the same with layers of hair. On the layer with hair, paint the shoes with the same brown color. Okay, and now move to the candy layer and draw the ice cream. Choose the green color and draw the grass. Create a new layer, move it all the way down and shade the area below the grass with green. And we go to the last details. Let's add some light to the railing. So stand above the layer with the railing, create a new layer, set it as screen, use clipping mask and paint the light reflections with red. Merge layers together and we will add also some shadows on the dress. So create a new layer above the dress, use clipping mask, set it as multiply and paint darkest shadows in the parts where are dark. So on the right side, under the pocket and around the edge. Merge layers of dress together. Move all the way up, create a new layer and set it as multiply. And now draw with dark brown all the details, eyes, smooth hair and some contours. And we are done. I hope guys you like the drawing and you had fun with it. And if you have something specific, what would you like to draw in the next time? Write it to the comments. Every single comment always makes me very happy. So bye bye and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.